waxaa ka socda deegaanada qaar ee dalkani Kenya dhaarinta iyo sidoo kale caleemasaarka madaxdii lasoo doortay. Madaxda lasoo doortay ayaa lagu caleemasaaraya deegaano badan oo ka tirsan gudaha dalka Kenya.
The event will bring together very many visitors from within the county and also outside the county. And this is a public event. We have people invited to attend, but we have also extended invitation to members of the public to come and be part of and to witness when the leaders they have just elected will be taking oath to serve them as their governor and deputy governor respectively. So from the committee point of view, we are set for the day. We are just doing our final touches to ensure that the venue is properly groomed for the day. And tomorrow, I am sure there will be a lot of activities here. The program will start at 9 a.m. So all invited guests and members of the public.
My name is Raymond Kenywa. I am a member of the Assumption of the Governor Committee, representing the Governor-elect, Her Excellency Honorable Cecily Mbarire, and Justice Kenywa Mogo. We've been having a series of meetings in line with the Assumption Act for preparedness. And as you can see around, we have a beehive of activities in order to ensure that tomorrow is a memorable day for the people of Embu. So far, as members of this committee with my colleague Jane and others who are here, we are satisfied with what is going on. We've been working very closely with the national government. We've been also working with other agencies that are in devolution, and therefore we expect that we are going to have a seamless handing over or seamless assumption to office by the elected governor tomorrow. Well, as you know, this one is a public function, is gazetted, and though we have invited guests from outside the county and from within the county, the ceremony officially will start at 10 and end at 2, but the members of public are expected to be seated by 8:30, so that we can be able to usher in the guests who are there. So primarily, we would also like to thank MP University, who are hosting us here through the Vice Chancellor. They have also given us holding areas around here. They have given us offices to operate from, and that is why we are all here gathered here.
Here with me is members from the Judiciary, the National Police Service, the county government, the Ministry of Devolution, and the County Assembly. We are on top of the arrangements for the assumption of the office of the governor, whose swearing in is scheduled for tomorrow, 25th at 10 o'clock at the University of Embu. That's when we are going to be swearing in the new governor of Embu, Honorable Her Excellency Cecily Mbarire, and the deputy governor, Justice Kenywa Mogo, at 10 a.m. The committee has made the preparations for the last 2 months.